A new era in multi-purpose work vehicles began in the Far East with the introduction of the Vitamin wheel and backhoe loaders. Equipped with automatic transmission, hydraulic, articulated steering, and permanent four-wheel drive, the small giants are both easy to use and highly maneuverable. Another unique feature of this and all Vitamin vehicles is the speed and ease in changing attachments using our exclusive Quick-Attach system. When you buy a small giant, you are doing business with a company that cares about the quality of their work. Vitamin's renowned customer service and a network of reliable dealers assure you of an excellent return on your investment. Compact, powerful, versatile, and competitively priced, you have now seen a few of the many fine products manufactured by Vitamin, makers of the small giants.